welcome to the playlist of Cinema 4D. In this series, I'm going to make a series of tutorial on Cinema 4D so you can master it with ease. Before diving, let's give a quick overview of the top. As you can see, there is menu bar, which consists of different kinds of menu bar, and the bottom of the menu, as you can see here, is axis, asset browser, and there is object mode, which consists of points, edge, polygons, and texture, and there is render view, render setting, and right next there is objects manager, and the bottom of the right interface there is attributes manager along with layers, and very bottom, as you can see, there is timeline, which is used to animate objects in Cinema 4D, and very left side there is a toolbar, which is consist of move, rotate, scale, and so on and so forth. So if you just want to manipulate this screen, you need to just hold the Alt button from the keyboard and click left button, just like this, and you can see the space clearly. And if you want to zoom in and zoom out, just manipulate your wheel bar like this, up and down, so it will zoom in and zoom out. Let's keep it here, and we will forward to the next. Thank you.